Hello, everybody, and welcome to the trade of the day. I should say trades of the day. We're actually showing you a few today. We have three particular trades we're looking at. They're all on our additional strategy, S4, S5. These ones are all S4 examples. So we're going to be going through those shortly, showing you how we calculate these and obviously the profits that we've taken from placing those trades there. So, diving straight into it, the first trade we want to look at took place on the 23rd of this month. That was on the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So, if we scroll in here, you can actually see it. It was quite recent. As I say, it was on the 28th, sorry, not the 23rd, the 28th, and it was taking place at 1 o'clock. So, with this particular strategy, it's actually very easy to identify these trades and put them into practice. All you're looking for is the arrow, and that's it. You'd have to look at any trend signal line, any change in like a momentum vector. It literally is a case of finding the arrow, using your trade mate tool, placing that trade, and then just waiting for a better opportunity once that trade has finished. So now we have that identified. Just need to go to trend signal trade mate, select the entry candlestick in question. We're going long. We're buying with the market. It's a green arrow. We're using the S4 strategy. S4 just here. So long, ATR is taken as standard from the candle. You can see that just here. So ATR is 0.178. Broker is standard, and then enter the amount you're looking to trade with there. So calculating that trade value, we can see a take profit of 74.467, and the close on the day was 74.289. So that gave us a profit of about 18 pips. Nothing extraordinary, but that's just one particular trade that took a few hours to really close out there. So, as I say, that one was about 18, 20 pips. So moving on to the next trade, we have a Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, that's the Euro versus the Australian dollar. So closing this down, if we zoom in, we actually had two potential trades. This one here closed out for about 30 pips. This one went back in a similar kind of direction with the weekly and resumed the further kind of daily direction there. So we're going to look at this one just for an example. So selecting the entry candlestick in question. We're going long. We're using the S4 strategy. ATR, populated as standard, as I say. Choose your broker, choose your account size, calculate. That gives us the take profit and the stop loss. Again, the stop loss is to protect your account in case you get a significant drawdown in these particular trades. So, taking the difference between the take profit and the close of the candle, which as you can see here was 1.62339 with a take profit of 1.62748. That ended up giving us 40.9 pips, so about 41 pips in profit for that one particular trade. And that one only took, as I say, about a day to close out there. So these are 4 hourly candles, took about 4, 5 candles to close out. So the last one we need to look at is on sterling. There's been a lot of exciting action in sterling recently, obviously, with all the Brexit news. There's been a lot of volatility within these. But looking into it, if we go to the TradeMate tool, select the candlestick in question again, we're going long, we're buying on the S4 strategy. The ATR, again, taking the standard. The broker is standard, and the account size, enter what you entered previously. So we have a take profit of 140.168. The close of the candle was 139.694. So this wound up giving us about 47 pips of profit. So I mean, altogether, you've made a sizable amount of return here. You're looking in the region of about 100 pips. So these are three particular trades. This normally generates a couple of indicated signals per day, and then we have the main strategy as well, making about 10% per month. That's usually 1 to 2 trades per day, and that's 20 minutes at the end of the day. There'll be a link popping up on the screen and also in the box below to get yourself booked into a live session. We have 3 available. We do lunch times, Tuesday and Friday 12:30, or a Wednesday 7 p.m. If you get the chance, pop in. We'll show you how we calculate these, and hopefully we can get this working for you. Catch you soon.